Testing malfunctioning electronic devices with a traditional multimeter is a hassle. Dials, switches, tethered leads, and technical jargon add complexity and difficulty. And keeping track of measurements can be a real pain as well. Now there's an easier way. Introducing Vion, the world's simplest Bluetooth multimeter. Vion simplifies testing electronics for malfunctions. It can automatically measure electrical output and send data to smartphones. And the Vion app provides you a live feed of all the electrical measurements taken with Vion. Vion's unibody design makes it lightweight and easy to store, perfect for your workshop, your home, or your car. Connect Vion to your smartphone using Bluetooth and measure values in real time. Vion reads back stored measurements through voice guidance, so you don't have to worry about looking down at your phone. Vion gives you a simple good or bad result indicator, so you'll know right away in real time if your device is working properly. Vion has colored LEDs built into the handles for quick visual reference as well, flashing lights for connectivity status. Use Vion to check if your batteries are running low, if your electronic devices are working correctly, or if there are wiring problems in your home. Vion caters toward both experts and novices, and supports most functions found on traditional multimeters, so contractors and electricians can use it on the job, as well as a boy trying to fix his RC car. Reading measurements that Vion collects is easy, but for those who like data, you can review all the detailed information displayed in the Vion app. You can automatically detect the error of the device and have the measurements saved on the application. Vion is the easiest and safest way to troubleshoot problems with electronic devices. Vion eliminates the hassle and expenses of calling for repair services. Anyone can easily use it for countless situations.
The most important part of any electrical project is you. But do you have the right tools for today's tough, repetitive jobs? The kinds of tools that help you work fast without taking a toll on your body. Introducing the Greenlee Micro Tool line. New bolt cutter, new cable cutters, and existing crimper. As a step up from manual tools, these micro power battery tools can help you work faster, safer, easier. Each tool is ergonomically designed to be easier on the body, reducing the risk of repetitive motion injuries to shoulders, arms, wrists, and hands. The risks are real. Studies show 29% of all injuries involving repetitive use of tools result in carpal tunnel syndrome, and that can mean 5 months away from work. So step up from manual tools to Greenlee's micro cutters and crimper. The trigger is easy to use, reducing the amount of force on hands by 93% compared to manual tools. Also, the 350-degree rotating head can be adjusted for tight spaces and angles, leading to fewer body contortions by your team.
The heavy-duty ratcheting bolt cutter easily slices through guy strand. One smooth and easy cut does it all. The spring-loaded cable retention hook snaps onto the cable in one hands-free motion and prevents individual steel strands from slipping out of the cutting jaws. A smooth ratchet mechanism and long handles for high leverage make the Klein ratcheting bolt cutter the easiest to use on the market.
Alright, I like this one because it seems more positive when you open it up. It won't open on you versus this one. The chains, we've used them forever, and the chains are, they get dirty and gummed up with sand, and just such a smaller range to cut to. This one, if you can go 1/4 inch up to 1/2 inch, you can replace a whole nother tool. And it cuts better. I could cut this one with 2 fingers actually, 3/8 guy wire with 2 fingers. Versus this, you'd never do it.
The heavy-duty ratcheting bolt cutter gets the job done easier.
The KNIPEX eCrimp are the first electromechanical crimping pliers in the world. They add the advantages of an electromechanical drive to all the proven strengths of the KNIPEX crimp system pliers. The result is an outstanding professional tool that makes everyday mobile and stationary crimping tasks easier, faster, and more reliable. All types of connectors, from tubular cable sockets, cable connectors, and end sleeves through to common solar connectors, can be crimped using the eCrimp. KNIPEX offers a standard range of more than 40 crimping dies and locators to be used with the eCrimp. And on request, more than 1,000 special crimping dies are available. All crimping dies for the crimp system pliers can of course be used with the eCrimp. Crimping of large cross sections is a cinch using the eCrimp. Even 50mm squared end sleeves and 25mm squared tubular cable sockets can be crimped easily and without exerting a great deal of manual force. KNIPEX eCrimp pliers have significant advantages that make crimping easier and faster. Due to their novel shape and compact design, they can be set down safely on the work desk. This results in a convenient and user-friendly working height when used in the workshop. The multi-component handle allows secure gripping, whilst the one-button operating concept enables simplicity of use. An integrated LED working light illuminates the crimping area. The reset button opens the pliers at any time if an interruption of the regular operating sequence is required. The use of locators is unique for a cordless crimping tool. They are assembled in just a few simple steps using the tool attached on the handle. The locators make aligning of connectors and conductors much easier. The connectors are perfectly positioned and don't require any fine adjustment or further attention during the crimping process. Crimping can be completed much more conveniently and reliably than ever before. Particularly, crimping sequences can be done faster and more precisely. There is another advantage when used in the workshop. The KNIPEX eCrimp is much quieter due to the electromechanical drive, and the noise is considerably more pleasant compared to cordless electro-hydraulic systems.